How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Kid Eats. I know we haven't had a video in a while, so this time I thought we would talk about some desserts. Pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Our family can't get enough of these. Every time we bake them, they don't even last a day. So let's get right into it. So to start you off, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of Bob Red Mill's 1-to-1 gluten-free flour blend, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs. Separately, you'll need 1 large egg yolk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 8-ounce cream cheese, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, not pictured here. For your hardware, you're going to need some cupcake tins. Here we have 18 with liners. You're also going to need a whisk, a can opener, a spatula. Here we have a cookie scoop, a skewer to mix up the cream cheese on top of the muffins, a mixer, alternatively this can be done by hand, it just takes a little longer, and a vessel to mix it all in. In a medium bowl, whisk flour, pumpkin spice, baking soda, and salt until well combined, and then set aside. In a large bowl, whisk together your pumpkin puree, sugar, and brown sugar. Beat in the eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Slowly mix in the flour mixture until there are no more lumps. After that, you're going to want to fill your muffin tins about 3/4 of an inch full. Next, we're going to be making the cream cheese mix. In a medium bowl, beat in cream cheese until smooth, add in sugar, yolk, and vanilla extract, and beat until well combined. Make sure to scrape the sides to get all that cream cheesy goodness off the edges. Top each muffin with about 1 tablespoon of cream cheese mixture and use a toothpick to swirl it in the batter. This won't look the best, but it will look much prettier when baked. And there you have it, pumpkin cream cheese muffins. We really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave it a thumbs up and a subscribe. And make sure to follow us on Facebook for all of our updates so you guys don't miss any. Thanks guys, have a good day.